Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So I have a pretty exciting video for you guys. I'm gonna be telling you, as the title suggests, what I got myself for my birthday. So if you want to hear what I thought about what I got myself and a little review of what I got myself, keep watching. So before you ask me about my hair and how I got it to look this way, I already have a video uploaded on how I achieved this look, the method that I use. So I'm gonna link it in the description. I'm also gonna put it in the cards, and I probably put an image of the thumbnail somewhere on the screen. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet to Just Devi Marie, please go ahead and subscribe and join the family. Also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share this video, comment what else you'd like to see. So if you're following me on Instagram, right, and if you're not following me, follow me at Just Devi Marie. You'd have known that recently, at the end of June, I would have celebrated my birthday. Yay! So late in the game, I decided that I wanted to get something for myself, so gift myself with something. And there's been something that I've wanted for like the longest. I guess it's kind of trending right now, you'd say. And I was like, yo, I want to get one. But a lot of the companies that I saw out here in Jamaica that were doing them, I never really like how them look. Them just wasn't my kind of style. So I had watched that video some years ago with one of the YouTubers that I watch. She actually did a review on it, and I was like, all right, let me try and see, you know, if them have nothing and if nothing going on for the site, you know. And I just ordered something. So that company is called Yafeini Jewelry. I'll put the name somewhere on the screen so you guys can see how it's spelled. So this is an unsponsored review of their personalized jewelry. That's what they do. They do personalized jewelry, custom jewelry, other different types of standard jewelry they do on the site. And I'm gonna put a link to what I would have ordered in the description box, so you guys can click the link and order if you guys want to, or just check out the site if you want to. So I'll leave that in the description bar below. So I'm gonna give you a full review, but I want to just show you first what it looks like and show you what I got. So my package came in like this. This is how it came. I have actually opened it just to make sure that the spelling and what I would have wanted to be on the stuff is actually correct. So I haven't actually opened it fully and taken everything out of the package, but I definitely have looked just to make sure that the spelling is correct, because that would be a problem. I actually believe that this company is I think it's an American, or yeah, I think it's an American company. I think it's out of California, I believe. I think so. But you guys can always go on the site and read up if you don't want to. So I got two items from Yafeini. It's called Yafeini Custom Jewelry. They came in these two boxes. As I said, it's been something that I've been seeing about and I've been wanting to get it. And I was just like, yo, girl, treat yourself for your birthday. So I decided to buy two for my birthday. So the first one that I got, let me try and take it out the package. It is this necklace. I'm gonna see if I can put some shots of what the necklace looks like in the somewhere on the screen. So this is what the first necklace looks like. It says on it blessed, because indeed the Lord has been very good to me, and I consider myself very blessed because of his goodness and his mercies to me. And in the box you also get like a little polishing cloth right here to, I guess, clean it or polish it, as the name suggests. I think the packaging is pretty cute, no lie. Kind of the white and the gold kind of giving me rich auntie vibes. So yeah, that's how it looks. As I said, I haven't actually opened the jewelry just yet, but I'm gonna be doing it with you guys. Yeah, so the first one, as I said, it's a necklace and it's blessed, and this is actually, wow, it actually looks really shiny. I don't think I'll be able to put this on for you guys on camera, just because I have on nails and it may be a little bit challenging, but this is what the necklace looks like. I'm gonna see if I can insert a close-up for you guys, but this is what it looks like. And it looks like it comes with an extender, so you can wear it long or short. And as I said, it just says blessed. It's like a bar, oops, it's like a bar necklace. And this is actually sterling silver coated in gold, I think gold plated or something like that, I don't remember. But as I said, I'm gonna put all the links below, so you guys can check out and purchase anything that you want to purchase. I'm gonna try and see if I can put this on, guys, but if I can't put it on, please do not murder me. My nails, them are gonna prevent me from putting this on. But it just says blessed, and I think it's pretty cute, like simple. Like I've always been wanting just a simple kind of necklace, gold necklace. Most of the earrings and the watch and jewelry that I wear, bracelet, are gold, and I just wanted something that could be for everyday wear. So I decided to get this one, and I think it's really cute. It's also good, I think, for layering. If you're into like layering your necklaces or layering your jewelry, I think this is a very good piece also. The cost for this, they were actually having a sale on it. So the cost for this, it was I got it for $13, even though it was sterling silver. I don't remember exactly what the original price was, but I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen so that you guys can see what the price was. They were having a buy one get one 50% off, if I'm not mistaken, deal. So I decided to take advantage of that. Now the next one, so that was the first piece. The next one I got, it is another necklace, and it is another custom one, and you can customize that to however you want it. You could choose a font, and they have different things there that you can choose. So this is the next one, come in the same nice cute box that it did before. Just says Yafeini Custom Jewelry. This is what it looks like. And the next one is actually, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. Comes again with the cloth, the polishing cloth, which I think, I mean, that's cute. That kind of young one. And this one actually says Debbie. Yeah, so you never know. So my name Debbie. I know all would know still kind of all over. I started the intro saying my name is Debbie, so if you never know, I know how that works. But yeah, I decided to get one that actually said Debbie. Like personalized jewelry or custom jewelry is totally trending right now. And so I decided to get one with Debbie, and I actually feel like I'd want to wear this one and the other one together, just layer it, like layer it, yeah. So it says Debbie on it. I hope you guys can see, and it kind of comes with a little extender, as I was telling you guys before, so you can adjust it whether you want it to be hang a little bit lower or you want it to be more up by your neck. You can decide how you want to wear it. So these are the two items that I got from Yafeini Jewelry. This is not sponsored any at all. I did see two persons that I watch on YouTube do a review on it some time ago, and I was like, well, I kind of trust them, so I am going to go ahead and try to purchase something from them. Yeah, so I decided to do that, and I think honestly both of them look really cute. I'm not gonna lie, the quality looks really nice. It looks really shiny, like it looks really nice. I know I'm gonna have to be careful of how I walk with this on the road, cause people in Jamaica are a different breed, you know. People want to grab things off of your neck, and then some of it is not real gold, but you know, it's sterling silver, but I'm sure it could have fooled some people. So I like both of them. I'm very pleased with my purchase so far. I'm hoping that they will not like change on me or anything like that. So yeah, and I've watched other reviews of persons that I don't know, or people that, you know, I don't really watch, and they have said that it hasn't changed, so hopefully that will be my experience. So I just want to get into a little bit of the review aspect. Remember that I live in Jamaica, so what I'm gonna be explaining to you or telling you is basically from my perspective as a Jamaican living in Jamaica. So as I said, I believe the company is a United States based company, but as I said, you can look on the site and read the information for yourself. But if I'm not mistaken, they're based in California. So I, as I said, ordered pretty late in the game. I ordered on June 16th, and on the 27th of June I got a notification to say that it had shipped out. So it did take a little while to actually ship out, but I'm just thinking, one, pandemic, two, it's custom jewelry. It's not like they have the items already made. They would have to make it based on what you want it to say, based on the font, style and type that you want. So yeah, so it arrived, it shipped out on the 27th of June. It arrived to my third party seller or third party shipper, not seller, my third party shipper. It arrived to my third party shipper on the 9th of July. So from the 27th to the 9th of July is when it actually shipped out and arrived in the US to my US shipper's address. And then from my US shipper, it arrived in Jamaica on the 14th of July. So honestly, it's about a month that I would have, from when I would have ordered to when I would have actually received it. Also, second thing is that they do have the option to pay via PayPal. Now I, as I mentioned before, saw this company or heard about this company on YouTube from 2 YouTubers that I know and that I've been watching for some time, and I guess kind of believe them, you know, believe what them say, you know, value their opinion in some kind of way. And so I basically purchased on that. I don't know the company otherwise from YouTube, like I don't know them none at all, so I felt more comfortable being able to purchase through PayPal. You can insert your card details or credit card details if you want, but I felt more comfortable using PayPal to pay. And the next thing is that I think the jewelry turned out pretty well. I think it was very shiny, it looks very good. I'm gonna see if I can bring up my invoice just to see if I can tell you what the prices are. So as I said, they were having a sale. So the necklace, the bar necklace that I have on that says blessed, I actually got it for $13.95, and I got the other one with the name Devi on it. I got that one for $31.90. The one for $13 was the one that I got on the special, the one that I got 50% off on, and that one was originally $27. They were also having a free shipping deal, so I didn't have to pay any shipping costs. And yeah, all I basically had to do was pay when it arrived to Jamaica. I had to pay the weight. That's how we are able to get things from overseas. If you have ever wondered how Jamaicans order stuff from various online stores, that's what they have to do. They have to get a third-party shipper who brings it out here, and you pay customs and shipping weight fees. So because it was so small, I paid the fee for £1. So all in all, I think I'm pretty happy with the jewelry. Just to note though that if you're living in Jamaica and maybe you're wanting to get this for a particular time or an event or something, I would suggest definitely getting the jewelry like months in advance. As I said, I don't know if because of the whole pandemic, you know, everybody's experiencing delays and challenges in shipping and other things, so you guys might want to shop and purchase in advance, so don't order too close to the time, right? So I'm hoping that these actually don't turn or change color on me. I don't know, I guess in previous in some other video some other time I can probably give you just a little bit of updates. Hopefully it will be a good update, because yeah, so as I said, they were both sterling silver. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any other questions in terms of shipping or anything concerning the product, you can let me know. This video, as I said, was not sponsored, none at all. I used my own money for buying them something here, but I am honestly very pleased, and they have a lot of other styles on the site too. And as I said, there will be a link in my description to the items that I purchased, and also if you click the link in my description, it will actually support me because they do have an affiliate program. So if you purchase through my link, I will be able to get a small, a teensy tiny, literally teensy tiny percentage of whatever it is that you decide to order. So I would really appreciate it if you're planning to order, to do so via the link in my description box below. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this has been educational and informative for some of you guys who may be thinking about shopping online as a Jamaican, or who probably want to buy some customized or personalized jewelry. And you guys can DM me on Instagram or whatever if you have any other questions and you don't want to leave them in the comments. You can let me know, and I will be sure sure to answer them as long as I am able to. I want to thank you again so much for watching this video, for supporting Just Debbie Marie, for liking, for sharing, for commenting. It really means the world to me, guys. I want to also remind you guys to check out the previous video that I uploaded. Check out the other videos on the channel. Thank you so much for your love and support thus far on the journey. My love on you, big up on a good self. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.